Hi seniors, welcome to our class, Language Arts 12. Not the way I wanted to start the year. I wanted to start it with you guys here in my classroom with me, but we don't get to make the rules. So here we are, and I wanted to just kind of lay out how we're going to start class and school for these first 2 weeks. So everything's going to be organized in Canvas, and I kind of cleaned it up, streamlined it. Hopefully it'll be easier for you to navigate. So what I want you to do is go to your class, look for the little bulldog, there he is, and click on it to go to our LA12 class. And then you'll see my corgi, Crumpet, wearing a pineapple that Rainy made for him. And he will welcome you. So then you can start and go to week 1 welcome. And I'll update these weeks as we go through the year. So there we are at the very top, week 1 welcome, and everything that you need to worry about or be concerned about or take care of for the first week is right here under week at a glance. So here you go. So you're going to make a little Flipgrid video, and if you click that link, it'll take you right to where you need to record it to answer about 3 little questions about your goals for the year. Your classmates will see that one. And then the first time we're going to meet online in a Google Meet is on Tuesday. So if you're in my 3rd hour class, you're going to meet, you're going to click this link, and it'll take you right to the meeting in Google Meets. And you're going to do that at 9:10. And we're only going to talk for 10-15 minutes, not a big long thing. Now 4th hour, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to click that meeting link, and you're going to meet at 10:40. For about the same amount of time, just to kind of line everything out. Okay, so the only other assignment for the week is going to be the theme song assignment. And some of y'all did this last year, but my theme song changes every year, and I hope yours does too. And I'd like you to tell us about your theme song that's meaningful and inspiring to you right now. So I made a little video to show you mine, since I can't have you in my classroom. I can't show you on my smartboard, but this is as close as I can get. So this lines out the assignment, and you're just gonna do your own, and we'll talk more about that on Tuesday. So if you can't get to that this week, it's okay. You know, we're gonna have a lot of technology challenges, issues. So this assignment will go into the next week, but I wanted you to start thinking about it. Okay, so going on through our week at a glance, back to Crumpet, back to week 1 welcome. You can also get here through the modules right there. So week at a glance, and then the other time we're going to meet is on Thursday. So if you're in 3rd hour, you're going to meet at 9:10 again, and if you're in 4th hour, you're going to meet at 10:40. And that's when you can ask any questions that came up during the week, and we'll just kind of check in with each other. So, and then that'll be it for that weekend, for the week, and you can enjoy your weekend. So I hope that this helped, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you. Bye.